Hey, this will be a video chart on SAVW. The last time I did this, the chart was down here, and you can see it went through a nice little consolidation period before, putting in a new high. Another nice consolidation day. Another nice consolidation day. You can see the 50-day slip moving average held. Then started to make its move, and then really took off. And just a very nice move off the bottom here. Hundreds and hundreds of percents for the people that got down here, and even for the people that bought on the breakout from the 50-day slip moving average. You can see big gains were made. And the reason I kind of state the obvious like that is, in my opinion at least, the majority of this selling here today was probably profit taking. People were locking in profits here, and then eventually it turned into, my guess, and looks like just some panic selling. The price was able to finally stabilize here and actually put in a small little wick. So maybe this was near the bottom here. But for the people, because I got quite a few messages from people kind of panicking, and I don't know for a fact, but just given that people were able to buy here and then nibble on more here and then get some here, my guess would just be lots of profit taking here that did then turn into some panic selling. But the good news is, same as always, even from the last time, as long as these support levels hold, then the chart and the overall picture is going to hang up just fine. Like I said, the last time I did it, the key areas we were looking to hold, was this line, and then when the price got above it, you would want to see it hold the 50-day simple moving average, that purple line, and that held. And now we're at these new highs, so the question really becomes, where are the support levels that we want to keep our eyes on? The first one is just simply this previous high from back here in May, and this level is at 005. So this will be the first area of support that we'll ideally want to see the price hold. And what we'll do here is just kind of create a little support zone. The other area of this zone, the bottom of it, we'll call right here, based on the high of this candle here from what date was this, on the 24th of May, and this is at 0.0045. So between 0.0045 and 0.05, that's what I'll call the little support zone that ideally we want to see the price hold above. Now, if it doesn't hold above this zone, that's where it really becomes kind of a matter of what's your strategy. Because technically, as long as the price holds above this 50-day simple moving average, then the overall trend is going to be bullish. Now, I know if you're a day trader and you're thinking about nibbling here, you don't want to see it drop all the way down there, and you don't really care if it holds above down there. So that's why I say, it really depends on your strategy. So if you're in this for the overall haul, kind of a long-term swing trade, or just, kind of the overall fundamentals, then as long as the price holds above this level here, this purple line, that's going to be, good for you. But for the kind of shorter term swing traders and day traders, this is the support zone here that I would keep my eye on. Because like I said, if this doesn't hold, then, this gap here will probably close, and then, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see it come down here and test, this longer term moving average. And then also the thing to look for, just besides the price action, is volume. If the price does pull back or go sideways, the less volume, the better. Now, on the flip side of that, if the price decides it wants to head back up, then that's where you want to see volume be, as big as possible. As far as resistances, not really going to touch on that, just because at this point, the chart's just all about going through another healthy consolidation. So keep your eye on these support levels, watch volume, and let's see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on the alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SAVW. Thanks for listening.